How does beginner algebra differ from pre-algebra? Have you ever wondered what sets beginner algebra apart from pre-algebra? Understanding the difference can help you navigate your math journey more effectively. Let's break it down in a simple way. Pre-algebra is like the training wheels for algebra. It focuses on basic arithmetic operations such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. You also learn about essential concepts like variables, which are symbols that stand for unknown numbers, and other foundational ideas like factors, multiples, ratios, and proportions. Pre-algebra prepares you to feel comfortable with numbers and basic operations before you tackle more advanced topics. On the other hand, beginner algebra, often referred to as Algebra 1, takes those foundational skills and builds upon them. Here, you start to solve more complex problems and explore new concepts like functions. Functions are rules that connect inputs to outputs, and they are a key part of algebra. In beginner algebra, you also learn about linear equations and inequalities, which requiring a different level of thinking than what you practiced in pre-algebra. The pace of learning is another key difference. Pre-algebra is generally taught at a slower pace to ensure that students grasp the basics without feeling overwhelmed. It is often introduced in middle school, allowing students to build confidence. In contrast, beginner algebra moves at a faster pace and covers more material, usually in high school. At this stage, students are expected to think more abstractly and apply the basic skills they learned in pre-algebra to solve a wider range of problems. Practically speaking, pre-algebra helps you get comfortable with the language of algebra. You learn to understand variables, expressions, and simple equations. Beginner algebra teaches you how to manipulate these expressions and solve equations and inequalities in a systematic way. This progression from pre-algebra to beginner algebra is designed to make algebra accessible. By first building confidence with numbers and operations, students can gradually transition to the symbolic reasoning that algebra requires. So, whether you are just starting out or moving on to beginner algebra, each step is important in your math education.